Yeah, smart almost for body bag. Almost for body bag, single. Oh, kappa. Hey. Yes, sir.
Jam. The more better, the more now also here.
Like your mommy uncle.
Where they play Nigeria Libya? Offer no so and then the fine. You go fan away.
Top one say side
Yeah, so and the plane be and I down.
So I was sort of top one.
And the Biarina a boot to one. Plane be
but yeah, but I don't say no man been spread here before.
Okay, I high price.
Okay, I had no idea I may mention that
I won't fear.
If we are watching Omane.
Okay.
I think the fresh money.
And what's in our bar? Okay. Now, what kind of bodies in the view?
I think I alcohol.
Okay.
Yeah, we win as we trace.
Okay.
We are doing the bomb.
I am going to try playing.
We are doing it here. There be chocolate. Memeka na kene wo ya sama kan insha awadu awu memeka si engineer ase ho omo mra me he ya ti akoya ya take pictures ni na yi yeah no be wi ana wa wi ana situational report. What is anyone here?
Maza, what you want?
Your videos now. Maza, I have fun. Also, security campus number. Yes, we are true. It could be a catching fire and something. And now where hit your penny gap.
BBC so educated. I'm the first one cry AC am package.
You know the I know the answer.
About for some about this year.
Forest and men and bedano. Na no pa ye bo be 8 no na bo e wa hanom kakra. Eti ye hu se helicopter bi eba ne ben fom. Enti ni ye nim ane ye se na de rupre ye wo fom na ada ye mu besi ana. Ti o mu twa mu be 10 minutes no ni ye ti se bibi ato se bombo no po. Ti a kire no mu frɛ wo mu do wa han frɛ ye se ayi rupre no abehwe forest ni mu nti ye mra na ye mehwe. Ti ba ya na kire se eye no kore ahwewa ama eja to mama wo mu nyina ahye dabi sense me ba ha de me first swan ya me be hwe ha no me first swan ya esi wa na ba bi si ba last time me bete se yesi bofo do e bi yira sa ama ni be si park ne so ba no de na me ni ba me bete
nti na emfa na wo hu se elipe na eba
na me was kaman fi e ho na me station wo e ho na me ya adwuma nti me pon e ho na mete aha mete sikaman ti e ho na ehu se luple ne ba na wo fama e twa mu be 10 minutes a ye te se tuo bi ai bi ato se bomba ye ba ya sa luple no na abebo forest ni mama abasa ashi
nti abrante ba ko a ono oye guide wana sa kwaye we na hye ne sa ohweso ena ye no edi nkomo na ma me hwe na abrante ba ko
Na ye na ye wo baby ba ko a ye hye ne mema a ye hye nti no ebesen no ye kura ka se na ada na obesi fama na onsi because wa ba fam dodo ko wo a hu se nipa ye dai etitim nti ye dey nsa mind for good now omota be fa no because ebi asima ebi si sa mom ko si bofo park no so because now we da nenye tinye fi se sa de na na esi ko so good na no kofa nti se na enye good na mpenfo ati 10 seconds na take bash ti ye dey ye dey hu se ye eno na esi because be fire 1 seconds ena sa de ni si ye nti ne ni se ye play na esi form
mudimnika be hwe mudi
dimnika ye dimika gidigidi because the esi de no a ti ene bedu ya no be bia na ye suspect se kokora na hwe ye no na enye ho ti hu se ngusie bi aya ne hu se eye soro ho yakọ ya na se eja toma manipa na ash
ade a esi wa ha se ade a ebi esi wa happen na
ebi nsi wa happen because da ne da ebi besen bu Monday ebi twam mines for no okofa gold no Wednesday Fridays ti besen ti ene Wednesday ne de ne enim se eye gold na okwa akofa tina yenim se bibi sei na se empenfo na ekodi dwuma bi sei na ade na happen ti sanet
ndi sene ya wakase na pache se helicopter no eba na ofom a muhu ni nipa
na ofom pa ko starting from kwabena hunu na ofom ti ye na edu ya hanes ena de we no abafom too much because won hu se nipa ye dai etitim ti ye ko hu se ana se weather ni nti na wonti me na on land e ti sa na nkomodidi a ye kura ye guso ye didi ti seconds ade hu se sa de na dai esi nti sa na tie
me do for forest ano ti me dua kuku me dua se se elpele ba me peje ni ahwese elpele na du ho a me hu ase ai gim aboduam aboduam na ya kakra de brasie po wa e ho na so fefrefi se me fredi wo na o aha no na me fre ai ona abomanya no me fre komati chamanya no ti diwo na frefre o mu nyina maame ana mdimika me jamuto no ho ntima me du fie no ma mafie kura me wura hwa ti du ni pa akofo na akofo na no oba no so okwa nyame ni mu nyina ahye e hwa na mdimika koya mkudu nyampa me ko to se nipa be na mu mu de no wahye ana me san ba nyina me hia nkofo do mo ko ana me ka che nkofo se o mu ahye go ye hwe anyi bi ka de kwa no mu wedi anke be pe ekwa bi ni afa yiwom ya fie se omfa bia doctor for ni adimira ni form nko hospital eso na ego dia ye de we hwie nyi bi o se e ba be ka che e de fefe mpanifo a munyina mba ya ne ye sie no
na we ade a wodo wo fom
me fom a me twam kokwagu a age for hwe a me dua age kere me dua e tinim gusu a me dua ka be tem adua wi ti me ti se e pere ba pija me si a nu obi me ti se abrase e hwi dua mu na nche kwa de brase ye ne mo fom pepepe na me frɛ obi a na bo nya me frɛ obi a nya no ti di o na wo bo phone na me frɛ se na si forest ho ana so frɛ go bo ndime o je se me hi o mo ho ti me di kwato ni pa akopɛ no akɔhwɛ ba na me no mu nyina ye kɔhwɛ aja me san me ba nya me hia ngofo na ye asem ba ya no
we de wanim de ade esi
pepepe me asi nya me che e pe ko dwofori na fori amanse fo he
enti okoya odi wani hu se pe
ni hu se be kwa de no kan de no so order no no order soro no do ahia ma na tare nyina na seat no eda ne nkyai ena be for de omgu ase a ejare eda so a ehye tu wuntimi ya hwibiem so mu udi a ana me frefie se bia mo kamfa bia nipa mra ne fo mo nko doctor yeah it is asewi.
Yeah, I mean, one video called viral, when now we bo Honorable Amakofeboa Amane. I don't know, so now Amane na we born there, but the shock in his face, no, nipa bebrena who say bi na Amane and na we born. At what point during the event, and I would say asemi.
And yeah, call at the program na here church no. And the intelligent operative, Becca say this is the signal we're picking. You see, the cherry and the coordinator stage national. We were a bit disorganized and a normal national anthem. And it took a time before we even realized that a national anthem.
Yes.
And just as a national anthem, now I had to do it to Honorable Amakofeboa. And at that time, we didn't have the full picture.
Yes.
Whether it was emergency landing or it was a crash or whatever the details of it may be. At the same time, we didn't equally want to create any panic whatsoever to disrupt the process. The reason why we had to manage it well, so that until we had the full details, there wasn't no need to cause any panic.
Yeah.
And the circumstance,
And I think one other video so and say from event no aseno one kasa personally efro bepo no obrofo yedru ho. Why did you go through all of that? Adai.
So we could do forest no.
Yes.
Now the narrative is with the free forest no copy for national emuwa. And briefing on Saturday, Mammy say, on my work life in you ashes. It's a Kayenga and a sana later, a mama rescue team and down. But I catch you, say, any part, me a doctor, it takes a while before say, what the Nomina bit machine, complete the bit machine. And between the time my needs, anytime you could do or no, you could still. No, sir, definitely you can recover some of the remains.
Yeah.
So I felt,
That's true.
I can't just stay at the First, no, me some uncle for my say omonko. Bianca, me my age Bianca is reasonable. But I'm young. And we have to mobilize the community youth together with security personnel to try and then see what we can do. And thankfully, we were able to get at least almost the 8 ministers and we were able to get all 8 of them. At least our ability to bring these bodies down will lessen the pain to a larger extent than say, oh, now, yes, what they say, no, was it, just to believe it that like that. So that was the reason why I needed to lead and make sure we will get these things done on that same day. And also, mind you, if we had waited a day before, definitely decomposition would have started.
Yeah.
And it would be difficult to even go into that thing, which would create a lot of issues. So my instincts told me that we had to do everything that day and just that time and make sure anything we needed to do to make sure they down, we will have to do that.
Yeah. Some criticisms of how they were carried. Say, Omagu bottom any other. There was no other alternative at the time, I suppose.
But at the comfort of home and at the comfort of where you are there, you may see and then you may pass your comments, which I don't judge anyone.
Sure.
We were the players on the field. As at that time, that was the only option we could explore to be able to make sure we brought our people down.
Yeah. But this criticism about video wo frobe porno ne ade wo posti on social media no what Jen is saying, what do you think about criticisms now abano?
So we are now in a learning process, and as you see, I am very busy to manage these social media platforms myself.
Yes.
And you have to receive a call, say, this issue on your platform, can you have a second look at it? And say, complete details.
Okay.
And I just have a review at it. Yeah, I have to ignore it. Yeah, I need to make repairs. I needed to do that. And most of these videos, I'm already on page. There are videos that others than I and I'm pursue on our own platforms. And then the administrator loaded it. But be as it may, we are all in a learning curve. Whatever the issues become, you look at it constructively and see how best you become a better version of yourself.
That's true. But I think I take out and it's for your social media pages, no matter how personal the engagement would be, and you want to manage your account, no.
Oh, I have access to them. At times I do edit myself and all that.
Okay.
But looking at how active I am over there, definitely I'm not superhuman.
Yeah.
I have a team of managing the pages in the around me. And it be also more they look at the feedback and then be briefing me as to what the public thinks, what the problems are, the issues we need to attend to, and all that. I have a whole team that manages that aspect for me.
Oh, okay. I think, in this day and age, nobody can downplay the power of social media. And I think it's good for a young minister to be relating with call for on social media, which is very good. But I said, it's a learning process. As and when things go overboard, you review and then you correct. Now, so one other issue to your attention, I think we've had a conversation around it. And Enkwalabe Edunsia, Omunya accident or Mosher or Monkwa, Omunyina, Ashanti region for Dunsia, Dunsia 16. The way say as a untimin ko krom ho enko fie ho enko sra awofo no moma free mu ene ade gender ministry ntimi nya bibisa save omampanyi ono a make comment e wo ho no yen share dan hu action bia bio. Is that the reality, honorable?
So that is not the case. as it were issued this year, when I got the briefing from police, the fire unit, also Ashanti region, the police division,
Okay.
In the Ashanti South, outside. I made a post. Usually, you post here, they can have a problem. They have a problem. So there's a balance you need to keep. But I really check my Facebook, you realize that we had posted about the issue of Facebook. And I had instructed additional fire units to go to the site, and the police command to equally go to the site on that day. And then also, Yamsi Awoho, Mami Safwa, I want to represent together with the Municipal Security Council. They were all there on that day. I was here, don't come more. They are doing Mami Safwa and their team ensure that we will do that. Financial contributions and commitments to the family and to the church. All that has been done. But the point is that I'm not too sure. Saying, see on social media say we have contributed this much to the family in making sure say all these processes are done and done well. And at the same people criticize them, no. Ever say article like they say, you have to be telling the world. Everything we needed to do for the family and the church, we have done, and we have even committed to even doing more, and also making sure say while the Accra Kumasi Road is being constructed, no overspeeding will be the cost of honor. So let me protect lives in between now and then. And see, as an Yamabasea, Obia on the version of us or the put out, Obia or the true of us or the cars in the but whatever we needed to do, including making financial commitments among others, has been done.
But maybe a follow-up to the town would have been the icing on the cake. And
so I'm not for you are chasing cloud. Obi, and you want to but I mean, whatever we need to do, we have done as much as we should do.
Very well, very well. And I think again, for a region like Ashanti region, now the attention about Accra Kumasi Road, eso. Minim say the Roads and Highways Minister, there waka President Ankasa Aka say they will turn a lot more focus onto that road. As regional minister, Ashanti region for 8 years, what assurances can you, because I